Hi, welcome once again to my channel as we go to the last phase of the measurement of length in terms of micrometer scale gauge. Because there are just few information that I want you to pick here. Number one, this particular, just like when we talk about meter rule and vernier caliper, they all measure to 2 decimal places in centimeter. So they all measure to 2 decimal places in centimeter. But here now, this one measure to 3 decimal places in cm. So that is a micrometer scale gauge. That is 100. Other vernier caliper is 1/10. So, but this one is 100 of a millimeter. It has 2 scales, just like your vernier caliper. But here, in terms of calculating the reading accuracy, we're going to do main scale all over the vernier scale, which is equivalent to the pitch scale over the head scale. Now, just like when you're taking reading of caliper, you look at when the main scale coincides with the vernier scale. Same thing, when the pitch scale coincides with the head scale, you take reading of the what? Micrometer scale gauge. Of course, here, we're going to have it, this one is just like normal meter rule. So we're going to have it as 0.5 divided by 50, but there are 50 calibration in this. So the 0.5 divided by 50 in millimeter. So the reading accuracy of micrometer scale gauge in millimeter is 0.01 millimeter. Of course, it is, the equivalence in centimeter is 0.001. That's why we said 3 decimal places in cm. Of course, you see, measurement with vernier with a micrometer scale gauge can be this: m plus or minus 0.01 millimeter, or m plus or minus 0.001 centimeter. We use this for mostly external diameter of land objects, and also for measuring something like a thin, the thickness of a thin object, like rods or thin converging rings. We can use it as well to measure what we call the thickness of a piece of paper. So that is what you need to know when we talk about length. We started this from meter rule, vernier caliper, and lastly micrometer scale gauge. Thanks, as we keep flowing for more video update of this.